Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good job. I'm so sorry. I'm not that sorry. Excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Can you stop burping? Seriously. We had a whole video to do. We haven't even... 3, 1.
Oh, okay.
So, Alissa, what?
Excuse me.
I'm gonna get places.
Excuse me.
Watching these videos,
Excuse me.
Alissa, can you come here and help me? What's your favorite?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Literally just.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, champagne. Excuse me.
They know about the names.
Excuse me. Sorry. Here's a little bit of. This is not like I was really hungry. No.
Don't worry.
Excuse me.
Chill.
Because I'm bored.
She's bored, man. Yo, guys, are we even think? I'm ready, Alissa. Let's pull up.
Oh wait, there's something.
She's so cute. She has her stuff on a plate. Wow. She's so cute. You're so cute.
Like, I think that were pushed back by like 100 of them. Doorknob. Have you? All right, guys. I'm actually playing now. Here we go. Doorknob. There. I don't know who lives there.
I just made that address up.